Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be explaining the T-Mobile Essentials plan, including what it offers, how much it costs, and whether it's good budget option in 2026. So the T-Mobile Essentials plan is one of the T-Mobile's most affordable unlimited phone plans. It includes unlimited talk time, unlimited text, and unlimited data on the T-Mobile's network or nationwide 5G networks. So the essential plan is considered the budget unlimited option from T-Mobile. For example, the pricing typically starts around $50 per month for one line, with multi-line family plans can reduce the price per line. For families, a common bundle price is around $140 per month for four lines before the taxes and the fees, which makes it one of the cheaper unlimited family plans. So even though the plan includes unlimited data, there are a few conditions that you need to know, like you are going to get access to the T-Mobile's network with high speed data, but speeds may be slowed during the network congestion because the essentials plans has lower priority than the premium plans. Also, after using around 50 GB of the data in a month, speeds may slow temporarily depending on the network's condition. The essentials plan includes mobile hotspot access, but it runs at the slower speeds as compared to the premium plans. Even though its basic plan, Essentials still includes some features. You can send unlimited international texts to the many countries, and then plan also includes talk, text, and limited data while traveling in Canada and Mexico. So the essential plan is best for the people who want simple, unlimited service at the lower cost. It's a good choice for the users who mainly use their phone for the calls, messages, social media, and everyday browsing. However, if you want premium features like fast hotspot speeds, HD streaming, and additional perks, you may need to upgrade to a higher tier T-Mobile plan. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.